Alright, so I'm not sure if this is made by Maytag or TTI because this was made. This one has the headlight and the bag check indicator, which is what the Maytag versions had. And this one was made in November of 2007. So I'm pretty sure. I think this one, Glen Willow. So this is probably a older an earlier TTI based tempo. If please correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, this is an early 1-year update. I wanted to do it tonight since I'm going to be doing a house run with my Power Max tomorrow. It'll be 1 year since I got it. So yeah. Hopefully, maybe. Oh, now I have. Hopefully someday I'll find a royal version of this. But these are good machines. Don't get me wrong. Now I have to go to the bathroom. Oops.